Functional global variable allows you to store data globally in the whole project. Access to the data is restricted to the functions you define. Functional global is built with a while loop that stops immediately. The loop is only needed for the shift register, which is not initialized. Here is a type-defined enum with a function name. It is connected to a case structure keeping the function's body. Functions should be simple and well-defined by their name, as here. When you run the program with increment selected, the register value from the previous call is read, incremented, and overwritten. You define the terminal connections on the front panel. Input and output are top left and right. Command is here. You can add an error in and out so you can enforce the data flow when you call the program later. Then in the diagram, you must at least connect these two to pass a value. You can also define the behavior of the error. Any optional inputs and outputs go here in the middle. It is reasonable to define default values for the command. This will allow you to leave this terminal not connected for the most frequently used option. Remember to mark the default value in brackets for the context help. You can remove the while loop, leaving only the register as a feedback node. Finally, the icon and documentation. There, this is the basic configuration of a functional global.